place called the Tortilla Factory. Let's check this place out. Whew.
That is cool. Smells so good. Feels like the most tortillas I've ever seen in my life. No, but the most impressive thing is look at the prices.
Yeah.
That's cool. $2.88 for a pack of those mini corn tortillas.
Those are like the ones for little street tacos.
And they have the bigger ones down here. Flour tortillas. These ones are $1.69. Probably stock up on tortillas.
Oh wow, we got
The special for
3 packs for $5.
the special tortillas are done there.
Yeah.
This is for the special.
Special for $1.
The $1
$1?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only the
And you make them all here?
Aquí here?
No, the in San Fernando.
Okay.
Some.
Okay.
Yeah. We only here the
Oh, look at the colorful ones.
Yeah.
Oh, and then the Tolero. Is that the Tolero rolls?
Yes.
Okay. Like for tortas?
Yes.
Logan was back in the spices.
Yes,
I'll
the
take
whole spices area back there. So you get a kick out of that one.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. This is
All the different.
this is so cool.
This is cool. Oh, here's what these were. I couldn't figure out what those crunchy things were
Oh, they're
on
the
my apple. And
yeah, Japanese peanuts. They're like a crispy coating.
yeah, those are good too.
Yeah.
Yes, I guess that's a good thing I came in here. That way I can figure what the crunchy stuff was on my apple for
what
Jenny's
was it?
Crazy Cravings right here.
Cacahuate? Japones?
Yeah,
Oh, Japanese peanuts.
yeah.
Yeah, this is cool because if people want to make authentic Mexican food, it's right here.
It's all right
I
there.
didn't know what cacahuate meant, but I had heard of Japanese peanuts before. And plus, it does say
And your
Japanese
arbol.
peanuts on the
Arbol chilies.
Yeah.
That's so
cacahuate con
cool.
chile.
Wheat pasta
Got all your
squares.
spices.
Yeah.
Lentil beans. 1 pound of lentils for $2. But I mean, most of the time we get those from the food dealers.
Yeah.
Hojas,
Almonds.
David,
Cumin,
comino entero,
cayenne,
cayenne
paprika.
pepper.
Here's some. They got. It's like they got peanuts with salt and lemon.
Limon.
Lemon.
And pepitas.
Those peanuts.
Yeah. We must be pretty easy to impress if we could walk into, this store and just be, oh my gosh, this stuff looks so cool.
We're not a tough crowd. We're impressed by
We're impressed.
I
We're
don't know,
foodies.
small things.
We are foodies.
Culinary.
Look at all these big bags of chilies up there.
Yeah. That is so bright.
It is very bright.
Canela
What?
molida. I wonder.
What?
Oh, the cinnamon.
Oh, good
Like a
grief.
pastel red.
Mexican cinnamon.
Distributed by Graciana LLC.
Oh.
Tags are kind of sticky.
Manzanilla. That's chamomile. You make your own
Make your own
herbal
tea.
remedies.
You can smell it, but
That's cool.
I wouldn't
Coco
snort it.
Rallado. Coconut.
The canela molida. I just got cinnamon though.
Wheat pasta squares.
Yeah.
So these ones are the 3 for $5 colorful. ones.
Okay.
Those would be great to make wraps out of.
Yeah, they would.
Something you can make for your channel.
Yeah. That's cool.
Now, where are we? We're on the we're on the corner of California and something. Hold on, let me just.
I can't remember what the cross street is.
Can't remember what the cross street is either. I'm gonna try to look over here. California and S Street.
Yeah.
It works when there's a window right there where you can see the sign.
Yeah.
Tortillas.
Well, they're different, like you would use for wraps.
Oh. Oh, like the green ones?
Yeah.
I know they use the green ones for wrap stuff.
Somehow I don't think one tortilla is 54 calories, but you know. We should get some of each kind.
We actually should. Are you gonna get some of
These are 3 for $5. I think that's what the sign
Are you gonna
says.
get some of the dollar ones too?
Yeah. Tyler was wanting some tortillas. Burrito-sized flour tortillas.
Yeah, those are burrito-sized flour tortillas.
Yeah. That's cool. These are the 13-inch ones. So you want to get one of each kind here?
Yep.
Because these are the 3 for $5, I think, and then the green ones. We'll tell Maddie we got her something to make wraps out of. Mm-hmm. So I say this one here?
No, this is different.
Oh, those ones right there?
Yeah, this only this one.
So
Only those ones.
these ones are
This one is the
3
regular
packs.
price. This one? This
Okay.
is regular price. Only this one.
Oh, okay, the one on the
3
bottom
to
here.
5, yes.
Here, hold that.
This one
So
is,
not
regular,
this.
yeah. This is
That-
regular
este?
price.
That one and these here? Or this right here?
Yeah, right there.
Right
Yes.
here, okay.
This is 3 for 5.
So these are 3 for $5, okay. So we'll get those, we'll hold those.
This is everything regular price. This one is special, $1 everything. No, only
This-
the
this-
only one, yeah. This is regular
Tortillas, not the
price.
tortillas.
Okay.
Yeah, it is $1.
And they got a little video up here. I'll show you how they make them.
Green tortillas, 'cause Tyler likes this size. If I got this size, can you imagine to be making himself quesadillas with a whole pound of cheese?
Oh, good lord.
Wait, save on toilet paper. I know, not exactly what you were.
Yeah. These are weird.
Logan's fascinated with the video up there.
Yeah. Well, it's good just watching how they make them, you know?
That's cool. And how much are these? ¿Cuánto?
365.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't need more tortilla chips.
I think we're good.
That's like your kryptonite.
Yeah.
So I think these are the little miniature ones that you use for street tacos.
So this is
$1?
exactly the reason why we bring Miss Cindy on stuff like this, because she's the one who figures out all the stuff she's going to use all these tortillas for.
Yeah.
That, and trust me, we will not be hungry for the next week because she'll figure out what to make with them. But it is cool. I mean, you never would have thought that a small store like this could have so many really good items for, you know, authentic Mexican food.
I'd rather have, you know.
As Logan continues to look around.
Fascinated.
Yeah. 3 and then 5, so that's 8. So I know I got cash.
All right.
So we put these in the freezer. So those are, so these would be, so that'd be $8, I think. Okay. How much more tortillas? That's probably enough.
This is fine.
Yeah.
Because I already have corn tortillas.
Let's see how the tortillas, Logan.
Eating tortillas up the wazoo.
Can you tell me what a wazoo is?
I don't know.
A lot to almost too much. It's a very precise measurement.
So, what do you want to say to our members as we're signing off?
Thank you for being members of our channel. Please share this video out to your friends so we can get more members to our channel. We are planning to get up to 5,000 subscribers and 15 members by next March. So yeah, if you could just please help us out, share it out to your friends, that'd be awesome.
Yeah. Check out our link tree.
Yeah, because that has all the links to our Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, pretty much everything else you'd want.
Yep.
Has our merch store as well in case you want any of our travel by nature related merchandise.
Yep.
So yeah, go check that out.
You'll check that out. But again, we want to thank you very much for being members of our channel. As Logan said, share it out.
Share it out to your friends and leave us a comment.
Leave us a
Makes
comment.
us smile.
Makes us smile. And with that being said, I'm Goose.
I'm Logan.
That's Miss Cindy, who's over there paying for the tortillas. We are Travel by Nature. Thank you for watching.